guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I am back with everyone's favourite video, a Zara haul. I love making Zara hauls, you love seeing them, so why not do another one? I haven't done one in quite a while and all their like autumn winter stuff's out at the moment, and I'm obsessed with like knitwear and coats. So I was like in my element when I was shopping in store there, and I also did some shopping online. So yeah, I have quite a lot to show you guys, like knitwear, coats, all of that good stuff. So I will be trying everything on, and of course it will all be linked in the description box if you did want to go check anything out. And I thought I'd do a little giveaway as well because I haven't done one of these in ages. So I'll be giving away a £100 Zara gift card, so you can spend that online, in store, wherever you want. So all you have to do to like win is be subscribed to this YouTube channel and then go and follow me on Instagram. I'll put it up here, but it'll also be linked in the description box, and then just leave a comment under this video with your Instagram username, and then 2 weeks from now I will pick a winner over on my Instagram, and yeah, you will win a £100 gift card. So yeah, it's super easy, and I might as well get on with the video now because I feel like intros are just so boring and long. Who wants to sit through like a really long intro? So yeah, let's get on to trying on all the clothes. Okay, first up has got to be a coat because I love coats. I've got so many and I'm just continuing to buy more. But I picked up this one, which I absolutely love. I haven't actually tried it on yet, but I just loved it. I picked it up online. It's kind of like this wool, like long line kind of coat. It's quite like thin, there's no lining to it, but I quite like that. But I got it in a size extra small and it was £129. So definitely not the cheapest, but I had one similar to this in a camel colour last year and I just wore it so much. So when I saw like this one was a slightly kind of different, like kind of lighter beige colour, I had to pick it up. So yeah, you'll see what it looks like on in the try on. Okay, so this is what the coat looks like on. I absolutely love the style of these kind of coats. I wear them so much like during the winter because you can kind of layer like knitwear underneath, but you can also kind of wear them in like the spring and autumn on kind of like a warmer day. Size wise, it definitely is oversized. I mean, this is the extra small and it is still quite like big. So yeah, and it's also quite long. I am 5'9" and it comes down like quite long on me, so I think if you're short it's literally going to touch the floor. But apart from that, I really do like it. It's a nice kind of like soft material, not itchy at all. I love the colour of it. I'm pretty sure this does come in like a camel as well, but I've already got one like similar to this in that kind of colour. But yeah, I've just turned up the sleeves so they're kind of a little bit shorter, but you can have them undone as well. And then it does have this little like, what are these called, belt things? Yeah, which you can kind of tie in the middle, and then that just adds a little bit of shape and also helps kind of keep you warm in the winter. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this coat, if you like it, if you don't, because it is quite pricey. But I do think it's 50% wool or around that, and I think it's handmade as well, which is I guess quite a nice touch, not sure. I then have this little like kind of snake print pair of like, I think it's a skort, but it kind of looks like a skirt. So it's got shorts underneath but then has like the flap over the top, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just thought these are really nice when you're kind of going out for dinner or something like that. You can kind of dress them up with like a pair of heels and a little top. And I got this in a size small and it was £25.99. This is what the little like skort looks like on. From the front, I love it. I think it's really cute. Ties up in like a little bow. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like at the front the bow or to the side. But I love the kind of like print on it and the style. It's super kind of comfortable and lightweight. But from the back, I do feel like it's a little bit too short for me. I am 5'9", so obviously if you are like shorter than me, then it should be fine. But for me, because it looks like a skirt, it looks like I'm just wearing like a super short skirt, which obviously you can't really get away with a skirt being this short. It basically shows my bum. So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have to return it, which is a bit annoying because I do really like it. Just if it was a little bit longer in the back, I would 100% keep it. But yeah, the length of it I just feel like doesn't really work for me. Next thing I picked up is this kind of like creamy white corduroy jacket. Yeah, so I just think these are like really nice and kind of casual. You can chuck them over jeans, wear them kind of done up, or wear them like undone with a little top underneath. This I got in a size small and it was $29.99. So this is what the corduroy jacket looks like on. I've just thrown it over like a super casual look, so with jeans and a little cropped t-shirt, because this is kind of like how I would wear it. I feel like it's perfect for kind of the weather at the moment in like early autumn or like springtime, where you need something to chuck on but like it's not cold enough for like a proper coat. So yeah, I really like it. I like the colour. It's super soft like on the outside and on the inside. I've just like rolled the arms up, but obviously you could wear them down as well. I feel like you could do up the poppers and wear it with just like black skinny jeans without like a top underneath. And I think that would look really nice as well. But yeah, it's super casual, just easy to kind of chuck on. Let me know your thoughts, and of course it will be linked down below. I then have these trousers here. So they're in like a kind of lighty beige colour. Yeah, really kind of simple. I think they're like kind of slimline, almost like cigarette style trousers. Come up nice and high-waisted. Again, I haven't tried them on or anything, so I'm not really sure like how much I can tell you about it, but you will see what they look like on in the try on. But I got these in a size small, but didn't actually come with a label. That's a bit weird. I don't know, so I don't know how much they are. I assume about like $29.99, something like that. Okay, so this is what the pair of trousers looks like on. I think the fit of them's really nice. I think the size small fits me like perfectly. A little bit short in the leg length, but that's just because I'm tall, and obviously if I was to wear like boots with it, I feel like it'd be fine. It's just where I'm wearing like loafers. But yeah, I actually really like these. I think if you go to work, they'd be perfect for like workwear in kind of an office or something. And I feel like you could definitely dress this up with like a pair of heels, or wear it in the daytime with like trainers, and a little t-shirt would look nice as well. So yeah, I definitely feel like I'm going to keep these. Next up is this really like cute kind of little Co-ord knitted set. So I had one of these in camel last year. I'll put a picture up of it now, and that one was from Zara as well. So I think they've like brought them back in different colours, and these are slightly like a thicker knit than the last ones I had. You'll see in the try on kind of what it looks like and the fit and everything. But the skirt was $19.99 and I got it in a size small, and the jumper also got it in a size small and it was $25.99. Okay, so this is what the little knit Co-ord looks like on. I think it's super cute. Like, I quite like them as kind of separate and together. Both the jumper and skirt I feel like you could easily wear with other things and they would go with so much, but also it's quite a nice like, little set to wear together. Sizing wise, I feel like, I don't know, the top comes up a little bit small, I would say. I feel like maybe I should have got a medium, but the skirt I feel like comes up a little bit big. I wish just like the band on the skirt was a little bit tighter, kind of like that, just so it makes your waist look smaller, because I think where you've tucked in a jumper it kind of makes your waist look a little bit bigger than it actually is. But apart from that, I really like it. It's super soft, like the knitwear, not itchy at all. That's it from the back. So the skirt's quite a nice length, not too short on me personally, I would say. Like, it is short but not too short, you know. So yeah, that is the set. Let me know what you think. Would you wear them together? Would you wear them separately? I then just have this like really kind of simple knitted jumper. It's in like a cream shade. It was $29.99. I got it in a size small. I'm not sure, like I feel like it shreds really easily though. It's kind of like all over the other clothes in the box, which is a bit annoying. So I'm going to see what it looks like on and if it's itchy, because I can't stand anything that's itchy, so if it is, this will definitely be getting returned. But yeah, you'll see what it looks like on in the try on. Okay, this is what the cream knit looks like on. It's really itchy, I'm not gonna lie, like it is super itchy, so I'm 100% returning this. I don't know like how you could actually wear it out unless you was wearing like a long sleeved high neck top underneath, because it's just not comfortable at all. So yeah, I feel like there's not really much else to say. I would not recommend getting it. Yeah. I also picked up this kind of like camel cardigan. Again, it's the same material as the jumper, so it is quite like almost itchy feeling, and it does kind of like molt, but sorry, someone's driving past with their music on. Okay, like I was saying, this is the cardigan, so it's similar fabric to the jumper, so it does feel a little bit itchy and kind of like it's going to molt, but I got it in a size small and it was $29.99. Okay, so this is what the cardigan looks like on. I really like it on. I think the fit's really nice, like the sizing of it is kind of oversized but not too much. However, it is so itchy. Like, I have nothing on my arms and it's literally just itching like mad. So this is definitely getting a return. It's also kind of starting to like molt on this black top and you can kind of see all the hairs. So yeah, nice cardigan, but not that practical. I then have this. It's almost like a kind of blazer, sleeveless situation. I'm not sure what to call these. I feel like they have a name, I just can't remember them. But I just thought it was like a nice alternative to a blazer. But yeah, I got it in an extra small and it was $29.99. Okay, so this is what the kind of like blazer sleeveless thing looks like. Again, I've forgotten the name. I feel like it definitely has a name to it. But yeah, this is really nice. I love the colour. It's like in a kind of light stone shade and then just has these little like brown tortoiseshell buttons. Coat, because I am obsessed with my coats. So this one is like this kind of like white wool coat. It's a little bit thicker than the last one. It has like a lining and everything, and these little tortoiseshell buttons, and it is quite kind of long. But this was $79.99, which I think is a really good price. This is what the white coat looks like on. I love the fact that it's white, not cream, because I think it looks kind of like really crisp and clean. But yeah, it has the little tortoiseshell buttons. It's lined on the inside, but it's not that thick. Like, I'd say it's more of kind of like a autumn spring kind of coat than when it's like freezing cold in the winter, unless you want to get it in a size bigger, and then that way you can layer more like knitwear and stuff underneath. But yeah, apart from that, I really like it. I think it goes with a lot. If you haven't already got like a white or cream coat in your wardrobe, then I think this one's a great one to pick up. I think the price is really reasonable as well, $79.99. Obviously it's not cheap, but for Zara and for like a good coat, I don't think it's like super expensive. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think the sizing in this, what did I get it in? Let me have a look. I got it in a size extra small. So yeah, it definitely does come up quite oversized, because I've still got quite a lot of room like underneath to fit like a jumper or something. So would recommend maybe sizing down or just getting your true size. But yeah. And then last up, I just got this kind of like simple little black dress, but it has this kind of like cutout on the kind of like neck area. But yeah, it's really simple. It's in like a kind of knitted material, but like really kind of comfortable and stretchy. It was $25.99 and I got it in a size small. So I've got on the little black dress. I absolutely love this. I feel like it's the perfect like LBD. It's kind of simple, but it has like cutout, so it kind of adds something to it. It's in like a really kind of lightweight, almost kind of knitted fabric, but yeah, it's really cute. I feel like it fits really well. I feel like it's such a good thing to have in your wardrobe because you can wear it to like so many different occasions, and you just know it's always going to look nice, it's always going to go, you know, really simple to kind of just chuck on. You could put on like a white blazer over the top, or you could definitely wear it with like a oversized cardigan with trainers or something if you wanted to wear it like super casual. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Personally, I love it and I'm definitely going to keep it. So that is everything I picked up from Zara. I really hope you enjoyed this video and seeing it all. Let me know if you're going to pick anything up, and of course remember to like enter the giveaway if you want to win the gift card. But yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!